What is mixed alphabet cipher? The mixed alphabet is another example of mono-alphabetic substitution cipher. And the way it works is exactly the same with those already encountered, except in one way. The difference, once again, is how we create the ciphertext alphabet. Unlike all the ciphers we have seen so far, Avast, Pinpin, Moz, Sheet, and other upline, the mixed alphabet cipher does not use a key but rather a keyword or a key phrase. Mixed alphabet cipher. The ciphertext alphabet is constructed by picking a keyword and writing it down. Ignoring repeated letters, follow it with the letters of the alphabet that have not yet been used.
Encryption. With this cipher, rather than performing a mathematical operation on the values of each letter or just shifting the alphabet, we create random order for the ciphertext alphabet. Example number 1. Keywords is information, plain text is computer. The ciphertext alphabet generated using keyword of information. Notice that the second I is skipped as it has already appeared in the ciphertext alphabet. This example demonstrates the ignoring of repeated letters, the second I of information is dropped, and how the rest of the alphabet that has not already appeared follows. It also shows a weakness in the system straight away. In this example, U encrypts to U, V to V, and so on to Z. This problem occurs if the keyword does not contain any letters from the near end of the plaintext alphabet. To combat this problem, we can choose a keyword with a letter from near the end of the alphabet. Clearly, it is very important to ensure that each letter appears in the ciphertext alphabet once and only once, so that the two plaintext letters are not enciphered to the same ciphertext letter. With the ciphertext alphabet generated, the encryption process is the same as with every other from a monoalphabetic substitution cipher. That is, each occurrence of the plaintext letter is replaced with the ciphertext letter that has been assigned to that plaintext letter. Let's find the ciphertext. So, C is encrypted to F, O is encrypted to J, M is encrypted to G, P is encrypted to K, U is encrypted to U, T is encrypted to S, E is encrypted to R, and R is encrypted to P. Although it is possible to generate a completely random ordering on the letters of the ciphertext alphabet, as in the table above, it would involve both sender and recipient to remember a random string of 26 letters, not an easy task. For this reason, as with most ciphers, a keyword is often used. The ciphertext alphabet is then generated using this keyword as follows. The keyword is first written, ignoring any repeated letters, and then the remaining letters of the alphabet are written in alphabetical order.
Description. As with the other ciphers of this type, the description process is similar to the encryption process. The first step is to generate the ciphertext alphabet in the same way as with the encryption process. We then do the opposite, finding the ciphertext letter in the ciphertext alphabet and replacing this with the corresponding plaintext letter. Example number 2. Keyword mix. Plaintext is computer. Let's find the ciphertext. So, C is X, O is N, M is K, P is O, U is T, T is S, E is D, and R is Q. Description. X is C, N is O, K is M, O is P, T is U, S is T, D is E, and Q is R. The descript message is computer.